Hi there, job seekers. Welcome to WooTrending Jobs. We are here to talk about a job opening for fresh graduates or entry-level IT professional in Nokia. Qualifications require Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science, Electronics, Telecommunication, Electrical Engineering or related engineering field. Please continue watching this video till end and I will provide you all the details. I hope you find this video informative. If so, please do like, share the same within your network and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let me go to official career page of Nokia and we'll see what are the details they have provided. As you can see here, this opening is going to be a role for solution engineer. Job location would be Chennai and Noida both. Talking about a Nokia company, so Nokia Software is the leading solution provider in the telecoms software market, helping to drive large scale services and network operations automation and digital business transformation in support of customer migration to 5G. Built on Nokia's cloud native common software foundation CSF, Nokia's multi-vendor and multi-network software solution enrich and secure user experiences, automate operation and infrastructure, and enable new revenue streams and cost efficiencies. Talking about job description, then you would be part of NSW, CS, and C GSID platform delivery unit services. Also, you would engaged in cloud platforms and NFV, VIMS, VPPC, VEPC delivery project and spanning the Nokia's cloud portfolio as well, third-party cloud infrastructure and so on. Talking about job responsibilities and competencies, you will create the customized method of procedures and acceptance test procedure for cloud infrastructure services. CBIS Cloud Band, Application Manager CBIM Nokia Container Services NCS Solutions. Also, you will configure spine and leaf switches for the cloud infrastructure based on low-level design. You will deploy CBIS, CBAM, NCS solutions and execute ATP to get acceptance and so on. Talking about qualification, then you should have a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science, Electronics, Telecommunication, electrical engineering related engineering field, 1 to 3 years experience in IT telecommunication with at least 1 year's experience focused on cloud infrastructure deployment, hands-on experience on Linux system administration, knowledge on NFB and SDN, hands-on experience virtual infrastructure management system and so on. Also talking about secondary skills, so having following skill certification will be a plus, strong skills with Python and YAML etc., knowledge of data format XML, JSON etc., certifications such as RHCSA Red Hat Certified System Administrator. On company job portal, they have provided all the related jobs description, required skill set, responsibilities of job profile. Please go through it in details and you can apply for this job. Also, I have put the link of the same into description. You can check out from there. So that's it for now. Wishing you all the very best. Thanks for watching. We'll come soon with another job opening. Till then, take care of yourselves and your family.